know? Do you know this? And the question I should ask probably is, do you remember this? And if you're in the diaspora, I'm sure you know it. Yes, it's a figurine. We call it figurine. Back in the day stuff in Jamaica. I'm with a man who makes figurine. Jamaican style. I'm going to talk to him now. I'm going to share that with you right now. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these, showcasing the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So, my brother, what's your name again, sir?
My name is, you want my real name, like...
yeah, just whatever the name you know yours.
They call me the Figurine Man.
The Figurine Man. Alright, the Figurine Man. Yeah, you have some lovely pieces here, man. Yeah. Tell me about, alright, so you know, how long you doing this stuff, my brother?
I'm doing it from 1979. From 1979.
79?
Yeah.
Who teach you to make figurine?
He's an Indian man, Indian.
An Indian man?
Right.
So chances are in past and gone already?
No, he did travel to England, you know, and he has some relative in England. Today he will be like 65 years old.
Oh, some young man?
Yeah, 67 years old.
Okay. So you've been doing this for how many?
About 40 and 79, about 42 years almost.
42 years?
Yeah.
And how many people like you, how many people do you know who do this kind of stuff in Jamaica still?
Well, you usually have a lot of people who do this stuff, but for now it's only me alone for the last, in this last time, because all the people fell out of the business almost.
Me?
Yeah, because there's a secret in the business that when you manufacture the figurine, film manufacturing used to break. Like when they took it out to market, it easily break when the customers carrying them home. But my one them now, and two, it made them strong, and so we stand out in the market. So me on the market from back 2 or 3, me started back the business. I did stop for a time.
But in total, you've been in the business 40 odd years?
Yeah, but me did stop for some time.
Okay, but you're back in it?
Yeah, from 2 or 3.
And as far as you know, you're probably the only man left in Jamaica making figurine?
Yeah, because I know the others.
Alright guys, so this is Mr. Figurine Man, we call him. This is his little work area, and you know, we take pride in what we do on this channel, you know, because we showcase what we call the real Jamaica, the real people, right? This is his little work area. I'm gonna go inside and show it to you, but he proudly showcases some of his best works. And this here, tell me, well, first of all, tell my viewers exactly what are these that we're looking at, and then we're gonna go inside and look at the production.
And these are some horses, small horse, and these are some small fish, and these are some small dog, and these are parrot, and these are some little cats, and small cat. Yeah. And these are some big dogs. These dogs are always, these are the marketable dogs, and people always rush them.
People love these dogs?
Yeah. They take the market, so we have to manufacture them.
Love it. So you have dogs, you have mainly animals?
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you choose just animals?
We have more design. Look at it's a portion of figure this pack up here. These are the molds, and we can make different design. We have more design out there, but no manufacture.
Alright, so show me now, just take me now and show me some of the molds here that you have. That you use to make this design. So, and then we're gonna go in your production area. So these are the molds.
Yeah, these are the molds.
Oh, so hold on. So you keep them on the ground like this?
We can assemble them. When we're gonna manufacture, we assemble them up.
So them look broken. Them look broken to me, man.
No, 1 and 2 of them get damaged, but I saw them stay, and we assemble them up. You want me to assemble up one for you?
Yeah, I would love to. Assemble one, show me. So I saw these. I think you were just thrown, man. All right. Well, first of all, let's go in the production area. Let's take a look at the production area. All right, guys. So we're going in his little shack here. It's a little shack, and he said this is his little work area here. So this is your little seat here, my brother.
Yeah.
All right. And this is another figurine that you made here.
Yeah.
Another. That's another bird up there.
Right.
And these are some of the big dogs.
Yes, right.
Yeah, these are the pricey ones. Hopefully.
Yes.
All right. No problem. All right. So this is where you work. So you don't have any.
These are some material pack up underneath this, and like the material we use manufacture them.
Show me now. Yeah, man. Show us, man.
These are some cement, like a cement bag. It look like a
cement
bag.
Cement. Okay.
The bag would look like cement bag, but it's a white material.
Okay.
In plaster Paris.
Oh, okay. Plaster Paris.
These are all plaster Paris pack up underneath.
Okay, so these are all material that you use. So what do you mix? So show me now. What do you mix it?
Well, you see, the plaster Paris is from Kingston, and the cement is from Portland. So we combine the two materials together.
Oh, all right.
Mix them together and
all right. So let me ask you now. So you take the plaster Paris. What do you call it?
Plaster Paris.
Plaster Paris. And along with cement. Right. The normal cement. This is the cement here, guys. Cement here, and then you
mix them together.
Mix them together.
Right.
And you put it in the mold.
You pour it in the mold.
Oh, okay. You pour it in the mold and then you leave it to dry.
Dry for about a day. Like me pour them today, and we'll take them out tomorrow morning.
Okay. And then they will have the design of that. So who create the mold?
It's me manufacture the mold. And for example, I would have get a overseas design, like the cracker one. I would get the overseas one and print the design after the cracker, and then we manufacture them locally. Or if somebody have a figurine outside their home, we can borrow it and print the mold, and then we manufacture several of that quality.
The mold?
Yeah. So we want to make the mold, and then we can go ahead and manufacture.
How you make the mold though? I'm curious.
Well,
alright, so you have that's a mold there though. That's a mold under here, right?
No, this is figurine itself. See the molds them. These are.
Let me take up that one. Let me see that figurine, because I'm curious. So that's a figurine, you said. Oh, that's a figurine before you.
Unfinished. This one is unfinished.
Oh, okay, that is an unfinished figurine.
Yeah, and see we have some more.
Yeah, man. Pull that one, man. Let me see. Let me show my viewers, man. Let me. So this is an unfinished.
Pull up.
Unfinished product. Pull it up. Okay. Alright, look, it looks familiar. Okay, so this is a dog.
Yeah, unfinished.
Unfinished dog.
Yeah.
Okay, I get
so
it.
We go to some sandpaper and
sanding and okay, alright.
And
fix him up. Okay, and become a nice dog after you finish.
Yeah.
Alright, good. And those over here are some little cat.
Yeah, small cat.
Small cat.
Yeah.
A mold.
Yeah, those are unfinished figurines.
Unfinished figurine. Alright. So those are the ones that come out of the mold already?
Right, yeah.
Alright, so show me the mold now. Show me the mold.
These are the molds.
Alright, so this is a mold for what? Open it and let me see.
This is a cat. You see like the cat out here where what is sitting?
Oh, the baby cat?
Yeah, the cat.
The little baby cat?
No, and the medium cat like this.
Okay. Oh, come on, hold it here for me. Alright, so this is a medium cat. Alright, so show me how it would come out of the mold like that.
You see the face here? Look, you see the face here?
Okay.
So it would turn down like this.
Leave it, put it there, man, leave it, let me see. Put it in there. Okay, I see what you mean. Alright, so this is the mold that the cat would come out of.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so you would pour this stuff in the mold.
I would lock up the mold like this. I would oil it up, and then we put elastic around it. So a band to hold it, and then we turn it up like this.
Yes.
Turn it up
It's hot? That one hot?
No, man, you know hot, man. It's dirty, me no want it dirty up my hand.
Oh, it's dirty up your hand?
Like, we manufacture African kind of water America, the oil it up and so. So we that oil it up with engine oil and lock it up like this with elastic around it.
Okay.
Put elastic around it.
Yes.
And you want to get on elastic put on it?
No, that's sufficient.
Yeah. They put elastic around
and that
it.
would create the
band.
Okay.
And then after it band up now, we mix up the cement and the plaster together and pour it inside here, and it would lock up like this and stay there like from today to tomorrow and dry, and then tomorrow morning we could open it. And when we open it, it would look something similar like this. This is a arse. This is a arse.
That's a horse?
Yeah, arse. See the arse here? And the arse would come out of something like
so
this.
that is a horse one. That's a horse mold.
Yeah, this is a horse mold.
Turn it the other way. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so hold on. This is an interesting one, guys. So this is said he's a horse mold. He's showing us. Alright, so this one you would oh, I see. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Show me how you would lock it up now, that one.
And
you have the next one for the house?
Yeah, man, you have the piece.
Okay.
Then it were by two sides. Sorry, just easy.
Yeah, man, push off this. Them heavy, man.
Yeah, man, because we have to make them strong enough.
So what kind of material you use to make the mold?
And we use the cement and the said plaster Paris.
So, okay.
Don't go through some printing process to build the mold.
Yes. Turn it over and see.
So It'd be like something like this. Something like this. So
Okay.
the aisle up the R small,
Uh-huh.
and then I pour the material. Then tomorrow morning when I open it, it's something like this. It will open.
They just open and come out like this?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out like this now,
Nice.
and then I use my knife and shave the ear off.
Oh, the extra.
Ear off,
Okay.
and then we go through a sandpapering process.
Yes.
Something like that.
And sand it.
Right.
And when you finish that, you
white, they put on a white paint on it, a priming background, and then now we spray it with the compressor, a machine compressor, and then we put on a varnishing for finishing.
Okay, a varnish.
And then now like the eyes them, with drying the eyes and something the eyes them will look like.
You have any horse that you finished product of horse? Like the same one here?
You have finished product like this one.
Okay, so
With
that's
the eyes.
Okay. Oh, so you just put 2 eyes on it. Like this.
Yeah, when we finish them, like those
Yes. Okay, so you shine them up and put on
the eyes.
turn it around for my viewers to see. Okay, so this is a nice little bird. Figurine.
You want me to come on a big part and you see?
You can, man. You can show if you want to show my guys here. That I mean, the more the merrier. More the merrier. All right. So that is this is a parrot. So you have a mold for the parrot.
Parrot, and I never mold for
nice. Hold them up. Hold both of them up. Hold it in front of you. Let me take a nice picture. Hold it close to you. All right. All right. So this is the Figurine Man, guys. They're authentic Jamaican. He's been doing this for, what you said, for over
42 years.
42 years.
Yeah.
How is it working out for you, man?
Yeah, man. It's okay, but like some workers.
You know what?
Like 2 guys they help me manufacture more. Because I have like 5-month market where I could cover, and I could cover mobile, I could cover like Savamar, but I need see the materials here, so I would do broader production.
So you need more help?
Yeah, me need more help.
Sir. What about the marketing? You need more marketing?
Marketing is okay, but me still take some more. But local market, me depend on mobile, mobile taking a lot from me.
Yes.
All me manufacture mobile.
Yeah.
We used to supply Falmouth also, but recently, about the last 5 years, I don't sell nothing in Falmouth because the amount of the manufacture to mobile.
Okay.
But if we did have enough help,
yes. So you can get any local guys here to help you?
These guys on the community, the young man, they just hang over in some. I just know.
Yeah, they're not really ready for that.
Yeah.
They're not really interested.
And if you have to get somebody, you have to get somebody who are interested, because especially in the area of scientific, that me the want every person to help.
Won't help you with.
If his brain is not there,
if you're not focused,
you're gonna get it finished. And the figure you have to read.
Detail.
Yeah.
I realize.
Right.
I realize.
Because if you got mobile and sell them, me not complain about like they are rough. Background and people them just bad them.
Yeah.
So if you get a second behind me, he's also very conscious. And I say I don't want nobody, because I need somebody, but some of the guys, because I try several guys, but they're being like excellent side of it.
Yeah. What about so a lot of people watching you and might be interested in getting some of your products. If they are, how would they? I mean, you have a local number or something?
Yeah, I have a number. My number is 438 4670.
Alright, so 876-438-4670, guys, for those of you who might be interested. 438. So 876-438 46 70. You don't have email and stuff like that?
No.
Okay. But this is guys, a number of you I know will be very interested in stuff like this. Right? I met this man in Montego Bay at the market. I saw him, and I haven't seen these things for ages. My grandparents had these stuff back in the days at home. It used to be on what we call our coffee table, and we dress on those kind of things. You know, that helped to decorate the space. And now I was so surprised to find a man who still made them. So I got curious, as you know me, and said I'm gonna find him, and happy I am that I got to meet him at his place today. So Mr. Figurine Man, we say, you need some help, you need some workers, you'd love to, but you need some marketing as well. I know you said that to me, that you'd like to get the thing turning a little more as well. You know, so if anybody, if you're interested, guys, you can reach out to Mr. Figurine Man at the number. And it says, how long are you gonna continue this, Mr. Figurine Man?
For life, man. For life.
Okay.
Because the material here and the material. I suppose me tell you buy the material from Dodos. when I give problem in town. You remember when those the big shooting and
at them time
the writing at the time.
Are you still a material up to now?
And the material is there almost.
Oh, nice, nice.
So we get a big body amount of material.
I say you have a lot of material.
A lot of material. This material that can serve the next 10 years or 15 years or 20 years.
Oh, cool. But the material you really is just the cement and the white.
The white.
White whatever. What do you call it?
The white plaster.
White plaster.
Well, me da invest in some more cement for the future and we can get some capital to buy some more cement like 30 bags or so. But you kind of okay into the plaster.
Yeah. Okay. And you might need, I don't know, I mean, are you comfortable with the area here? I mean, you want to fix it up?
No, I want for improvement. Me shouldn't be like this kind of time, but as you say, the financial problem kind of risking me like, I used to be some guy that help me manufacture. Yeah. You come here and see a wider development, but my hands alone can't manage the market.
Yeah.
Because you see whenever I go to Mobile, we just get rid of them. We don't have no problem. Like Friday and Saturday we go out, we don't have no problem to get rid of them.
But with some more hand, you'll be able to help to get things to a different, higher level. And you'll be able to fix up your area here a little more. Your little workspace here. Right? So just a workspace here, obviously. Alright, so guys, so this is the Figurine Man place, and we come to big him up, we come to salute him for what he's doing, keeping the culture alive and the heritage. Figurine, old time Jamaican style. Alright, remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I do a lot of videos, I do stuff like these, showcasing what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So, if you're interested in getting the real Jamaica, the authentic Jamaica, make sure you hit that subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you see updated on all my latest videos. You were saying something, my brother?
No, I said this rabbit is a design, but it gets a little damaged.
Take it up, me see.
It's a rabbit. I have the mole out there now.
But this is like a real rabbit, man.
Yeah, man. I mean manufactured, but it gonna get a damage when we try it out. A long time I have it there. Alright, me tell you, there are several mole out there now where the design, depend on what you are saying. Like, this is not all my design. Me have several more designs where me can manufacture and me can make more new ones.
Yes. So do you make the mold too, sir?
And me make the mold them. And all these designs where you see is not all. These mold contain more design than that means you could have look on 20 more design like the rabbit. You take around but you never see the rabbit. So I have them
yes. Alright. Big up Mr. Figurine Man. What makes Jamaica special, man?
Well, you know that we have the sun, we have the beach, we have like the good agriculture and product, and the people of Jamaica are really special.
Alright. You, and I hope you realize that you are also part of the people. You are the people. You, Mr. Figurine Man, help to make Jamaica what it is. You, what you're doing here, showcasing the real stuff, the authentic stuff. Thank you, man. It's a pleasure, man. Big up yourself. All the best. One love. I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you make of Mr. Figurine Man and what he's doing? I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment down below. I am heartened by what he's doing. To be honest with you, this is old time Jamaica. This is the stuff that many of you, especially in the diaspora, can remember and appreciate. You used to have any little dress and stuff, so it was a really honor to be able to and pleasure to be able to find somebody who is still doing this. But share a comment down below. Let me know what you think about what he's doing here, and your I'd love to hear from you either way. Just let me hear from you. Drop a comment down below and share this video. Somebody might be very excited to see this, so go ahead and hit that share button now. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. We do a lot of videos capturing this stuff, the real Jamaican stuff, and we don't want you to miss any of that. This is indeed the real Jamaica.